what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hi guys, how are you today? Nice meeting you again. And what is it today you're gonna talk about, Miss Rose? Ready for that? Okay. Today, since we still stay at home, we still cannot go outside, so we have to look for something at our house. Something at our house. What is that? What is the closest thing that you always do every day? Eating. Stay at home, we should eat, right? We cannot stay at home without food. Where is the food? Everyone is hungry. But today we're not talking about the food. We're gonna talk about what we're gonna do to the food. What we're gonna do. I brought you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cooking verbs. Okay, we fry something. What do you fry? Fry. You know it, right? The meaning? Okay. What do we fry? You can fry egg, fry chicken, fry chips, fish, or many things you can fry. Okay? Think about one thing you can fry. I can fry potato, Miss Rose. Okay. Fry. I can fry potato. I can fry chili. Okay. I can fry noodle. I can fry whatever. Think about one thing you can fry. Okay? Good. What's next, Miss Rose? Oh, if you fry the eggs, right? You will need to break the eggs. What's that? You need to break the eggs. Then you're going to answer my questions. What do you do to the eggs? What do you do to the eggs? You should say, I break the eggs. Do you have oven at home? Oven? Okay, in a modern house, everyone has oven, stove oven. Okay. What do you bake in the oven? What do you bake in the oven? I bake pizza. I bake macaroni cheese. What else? I bake bread. Think about what do you bake, okay? You know knife? Last time we studied about things. This is knife, okay? What do you do with knife? Yeah, we chop something. We chop something. What do you chop? I can chop onion, chop vegetables, chop potato, cassava. Think about what do you chop, okay? Next is Yeah, boil. What do you boil in a hot water? Water. You boil water, boil soup, boil vegetables, boil egg. You can boil many things, right? Okay, think about what you can boil. After that. Ooh, what do you do to banana? You know banana? What do you do to banana? You peel the banana. Peel the banana, okay? Say it. Peel the banana. Good. Hey, bread. What do you do to the bread? What do you do to the bread? I slice the bread. Slice. Okay. But now you can buy the bread already sliced. Udah di-slice, dibeli sekarang, nggak perlu di-slice sendiri ya. Dulu zaman Miss Rose masih anak kecil, belum ada slice-nya. Breadnya utuh, lalu kita yang slice di rumah. So okay, I mix it with bahasa a little bit, okay? Hey, cheese. Grate. Grate the cheese. Grate. What is that? In bahasa, what is that? Grate. It's a kind of parut, yeah, parut. What do you grate? Cheese, yes. What else? Coconut to make the juice. You pour. You pour something in the pan. You pour the water, pour the oil, pour the dough. Anything you're gonna do, you can pour, okay? You know the meaning, right? What do you pour? What do you pour? This is what this is. They pour the ingredient to the pan. Next, after you cook things, you should taste. Okay, taste. Does it taste good? Is it yummy? Is it delicious? Yeah, it tastes nice. It tastes good. It tastes. Say it. It tastes. Okay. How does it taste? Good. So, it's already how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess 10 is enough, okay? 12 is too many. You don't remember. Now your task. You can write it down on a paper. Okay? Like always. Write down on a paper. Answer my question. What do you break? What do you break? What do you bake? What do you bake? Okay. What do you chop? What do you chop? Okay. What do you boil? What do you boil? What do you peel? What do you peel? What do you peel? What do you slice? What do you slice? What do you slice? What do you grate? What do you grate? What do you grate? What do you pour? What do you pour? What do you pour? What do you fry? What do you fry? What do you fry? The last one. How does it taste? This is the last one is the different one, okay? How does it taste? How does it taste? The answer is these 9 things. You answer the things. What do you pour? I pour blah blah blah. What do you fry? I fry blah blah blah. What do you grate? I grate blah blah blah. But this one, how does it taste? You should answer. If you like it, you say, it's yummy. The taste yummy. I like it. Okay. If you don't like it, you should say, yuck. It's not. Yuck, I don't like it. Okay. How does it taste? How does the food taste? How does cheese taste? How does egg taste? Okay? Okay, I'm gonna wait your answer. I'm gonna wait your answer. How? You're gonna write down on a piece of paper, or you can just talk to me on the phone. Miss Rose, I grate blah blah blah. I pour blah blah blah. I fry blah blah blah. Okay? And you can say the last one is, it tastes yummy. Pizza tastes yummy. It's delicious. Okay? I shall wait for your answer. And that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.